Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make floral jewelry set for haldi ceremony. I'm going to use this carry bag as the base. You can also use bukram. Just make sure that whatever you use is a little bit harder than the normal fabric. I have already drawn a neckline using a pen. I just traced the neckline of my t-shirt. I'm also going to use these beautiful foam sheet roses, these white birds, and Fevibond to stick these to my base. I'm going to use red roses because I'll be wearing yellow outfit and I think red will provide a very nice contrast. And also because I did not get yellow flowers in that set, so there's that. I removed the wires from the roses because they were just getting in the way and then stick these flowers to my base using Fevibond. You can also use Fevicol for this, but Fevibond is much stronger. And since I was going to be the main person of that ceremony, I did not want to take the risk of any of these flowers to just fall off. After making one row of roses, I added one row of white birds. I think they looked pretty good together. I ordered these roses and birds from Amazon. The whole box of roses cost me 200 rupees and the packet of white birds cost me I think 175 rupees. So the cost of this whole jewelry set is going to be approximately 400 to 450 rupees. Now you might think that you can easily order this whole jewelry set online and it will cost you probably cheaper. And that's quite right. But the thing is, I have only used approximately 20% of this whole stuff. So I have got a lot of leftovers. And I like to do art and craft activities in my free time and I can use these leftover product in my other projects. So I will be getting more worth out of it. And also because I enjoy making craft works, I had a lot of fun making it. If you do not enjoy making craftworks yourselves and you do not intend to do anything with the leftover flowers and birds, then yes, it will be wiser for you to just buy it online or from the market. If you're making this for your own wedding, I suggest you to make this way before your haldi ceremony because as the wedding day approaches, it feels like you already have 100 things to do and it just creates pressure and it's not worth it. By the way, I got married this month and I made this for my own haldi ceremony. I wore my mom's old yellow sari because there's oil and haldi, so the outfit is definitely going to get ruined. So there's no point wearing a new outfit. Unless you're super rich and you can afford to ruin a new outfit, then it's your choice. I have added all my elements. Now we need to give it some time to dry. In the meantime, let's work on the earrings. I have these old pair of earrings. The polish is gone. I have already worn them quite a few times. So I'm going to use as the base of my floral earrings. I had to cut the stems of the birds to make them fit properly. See, the pair is done. I think they look quite pretty. Now let's get back to our necklace. I just cut the whole setup very. I left some space at the edge of the necklace because I'm going to stick a ribbon there. I added a piece of ribbon at the edge of the necklace and then I covered it with some red material to just make it look better. For Mangtika also, I'm going to use this old Mangtika as base. If you don't have any old Mangtika at home, you can use the carry bag or bukram as the base like we did with the necklace. This is my old jewelry. I was not going to wear it anyway. I do not suggest you to waste your new jewelry on this. I also had a bunch of more old earrings, so I made a couple of these sets for my sister and my mother also. For the third set, I did not glue the flowers, I just wrapped the wire of the flowers around the earrings. My jewelry set is complete. I hope this video was useful for you. You can make this for yourself, or you can gift it to your sister or cousin or any friend who is about to get married. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.